Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a Citizen watch. It is a collaboration between the Citizen and Marvel, and it is going to be a very special unboxing. Please watch the video till the end. Over time, Citizen has collaborated with Disney, Marvel and Star Wars, and what makes this watch truly special is the specs that it comes with. I'll share more on that later in the video. So this is how the watch was delivered to me. And you can see a Marvel comic strip on the box. Let's open the box and let's see what else is waiting for us. And here is the Black Panther card. The watch comes with a warranty of 5 years. Here is a warranty registration booklet. And here is our watch. Let's remove the plastics and the tags from the watch. And let's check the dimensions quickly. The case diameter is 41 mm. Case thickness is 10 mm. And good luck finding a leather strap for the watch because the lug width is 14 mm. The watch has an integrated bracelet made up of super titanium, which makes it really lightweight and stronger than the steel. The watch has a fold-over clasp with push buttons, and sadly there are no extension holes. The case and bracelet features a sandblasted finish, while the edges are polished to a glossy sheen. The bezel and crown are treated with PVD coating. The unsigned crown uses a push and pull mechanism. The case back is engraved with Wakanda Forever. You can also see the Marvel branding. The watch is water resistant for 100 meters and the case back is also made up of titanium. The watch has a sapphire crystal and it uses J810 Eco Drive movement. Speaking of Eco Drive movement, Eco Drive is a proprietary Citizen technology that converts any kind of light from bright sunlight to dim indoor light into the energy necessary to power a watch. It runs for over 6 months on a single full charge. Citizen released world's first light power watch in 1976. As you can see, there is a Black Panther logo on the dial and it is engraved. The solar cell is behind the dial. These solar cells absorb the light and converts the light into the electrical energy. The date window is at 3 o'clock position and the crown is at 4 o'clock position. And here are some lume shots for you. I purchased the watch during the Halloween sale from Desertcart and paid $337 for the watch. The detailing on the dial is just amazing. I have not seen anything like this before. Also, the lume is one of the best I have seen so far. It's time to wear the watch and let's see if it is wrist-worthy or not. I have already adjusted the bracelet for my 7-inch wrist and it sits remarkably well. However, I would like it better if it has micro adjustment holes. The watch is really lightweight thanks to its titanium build. Now let's see how does it look when it's compared with Seiko Solar. And this is how it looks when compared with Seiko SUR529P1. This is how it goes with Casio G-Shock Digital. Here are some close-up shots for you. Citizen has been a significant player in the watch industry for decades. Still, it's one of the most underrated watch brand. Citizen is known for their precision and innovation. The Citizen Watch Group owns Bulova, Arnold & Son, Frederick Constant, Alpina and Campanola. Tell me if you knew this already. So, is the Citizen AW1668-50W is a wrist-worthy pick? The answer is yes, absolutely. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish and eco-friendly timepiece. When compared to other solar watches like Seiko, Casio and Timex, Citizen holds a unique edge with its Eco Drive technology. For those seeking a dependable watch with minimal upkeep, the Citizen Black Panther is a correct choice. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more watch reviews. Let us know in the comments if you are considering the Citizen Black Panther or if there is another watch you would like us to cover. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.